Coming up next on Hands on Tech, I am going to show you Mophie's answer to AirPower. So stick around, you don't want to miss it.
This is Twit.
This episode of Hands on Tech is brought to you by FreshBooks. Try it free for 30 days at freshbooks.com/hot. So Mophie has been known to kind of work with Apple a little bit closer than some other companies with their charging stuff. They make several charging banks that use the lightning cable.
For years, I've used Mophie packs on my phone when the battery life wasn't enough. The new iPhones, the battery life is enough, but
this here.
So they're branching out because they need to, probably.
Yes, yeah. This is the AirPower, not made by Apple. In fact, I think if you go online right now, you're hard pressed to be able to get one of these. When I put in the order on Apple's website, they said, it'll probably be the end of September or early October. And then shortly after, I got the notification from FedEx that this was on the way. So I was really lucky to be able to get this.
Oh my goodness. So this is exactly what Apple was supposedly going to sell with the AirPower, and they said, we can't do it.
Kind of.
We give up.
The thing with Apple's was that it was kind of just going to be one flat surface. You could put things down wherever.
Yeah,
and that's not how
they
this
couldn't
one
make it
works.
work. It got too hot, I guess, or something. Yeah,
got too warm. Now
this isn't quite as cool as AirPower.
Not at all. Frankly, not.
But it will charge all three of your devices.
Yeah. So here, I stick this little thing in here.
Oh, I thought that indentation was for the watch.
No, that is for... So let me
He's
go
just
ahead.
put his AirPods in the little divot.
I'm going to plug
so
this in.
So this charges your phone, your AirPods, and your Apple Watch.
All at once.
And you put this on your nightstand or on your dresser. Actually, I would put it on my dresser because I don't want to see the lights and stuff. Does it light up?
It has, I think there's a little... See, but that's a good thing about Mophie. Mophie does a really good job of making their LEDs rather subtle, where some other companies are like blasting your retinas.
Yeah, I had to move everything out of the bedroom just there was so much light.
I usually just use some gaff tape and cover those up.
That's a great idea. Yeah, at Photo, Michael O'Donnell gave me something photographers use for their dark rooms. Opaque little dots that you could put on the lights. It was very nice of them. They're all chamarging.
Look at that.
They're chamarging. Now, how much is it? Is it?
This is
fast charging though. I mean, is it going to?
Yeah, that's the other thing. Is that this is not going to give you.
It's not. But overnight. I mean, that's the whole point of wireless.
Exactly.
You're not trying to do fast.
So they call it 7.5 watt fast charging, but that's not the.
That's not very fast.
Not fast.
Yeah.
But the fact that I can charge all three devices at once.
What is Apple's charger with the phone? I think it's 15 or something like that.
I
15
believe
watts.
So.
Yeah.
And it charges through lightweight cases. As you can see, I do have a case on my phone.
Nice.
And right now it's charging. I think the thing that I like about this...
I love it that you're charging the AirPods too, though.
Is that I don't like to play the guessing game.
Yeah, everything's charged in the morning.
And so this way I know that, everything
Refuel.
is going to be charged. And
it's attractive. I think that's not bad looking.
It's very pretty. It's simple, subtle.
How much?
This is... $140. That's what I wrote
that's
down.
pricey.
$140.
That's Apple money.
That is Apple money, and I think that's why they've got it available. It's available only at Apple. In fact, is how it's listed on Apple's site.
Oh, that's interesting.
Yeah. So this is what I was talking about.
But in a way, Mophie was thumbing their nose at Apple, saying, "Well, we can make it." No, they're doing it with Apple.
This, just like their charging battery cases that you can plug the lightning cable into to charge it.
It's MFI.
It's the same. It's the same kind of only an Apple product
for
offering.
iPhone.
Yeah. So these are pretty neat. This episode of Hands on Tech is brought to you by FreshBooks, the #1 accounting software that makes dealing with your business finances painless. FreshBooks is used and trusted by small business owners in over 120 countries, with customer service via phone, email, and live chat. Don't let accounting intimidate you. Take control of your finances and help your company thrive. Visit freshbooks.com/hot and enter Hands on Tech in the How Did You Hear About Us section to receive 30 days free. That's freshbooks.com/hot.
Keep up with all the hottest tech news and gadgets. Visit twit.tv. There you'll be able to find and subscribe to all our tech shows. Thanks for watching Hands on Tech.